All right, how's it going? So we're going to make some fish bites today, or fish fingers, whatever you want to call them. Really, really easy. Breaded fish, fry them off. Little dip there, fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so I've got some white fillet fish. This is frozen. It's known as dory fish or pollock. There's a few of them. So frozen, what I've done is I defrosted it for a couple of hours, and then what you need to do is pat it dry with some, paper towel or something like that. Okay, so I've not used all of that fish, just about half of it. What I've done is I've cut it into nice strips, you can see, into sort of, well, fish fingers. They don't have to be exactly the same size, but you get the idea. There you go. So I've got like 1.5 cups there of regular plain flour. To that I'm going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour, which by the way is the same thing. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon. Turmeric and chili powder, about a teaspoon. Going to give that a mix, and we've got some really nice seasoned flour there. So we've got our seasoned flour. We're just going to get our fish fingers, roll them in that, make sure you get all the ends, little shake onto a plate. Let me repeat that process. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so here I've got some eggs beaten, 3 eggs there, just beaten. Here's some regular breadcrumbs. What we're going to do is dip. So what we do is we dip the egg, and then we go to the breadcrumbs. Now, good idea, dip with one hand, breadcrumb with another, or you end up with egg and all that all over you. Okay? Simple as that. I'll repeat the process. Okay, so job done. Now, we're going to go to the cooker and we're going to fry them off in some oil. If you want, you can do a large batch of these, and then you can get them frozen, get them in the freezer for later. All right, so I've got 2 or 3 centimeters of oil in there. Use any oil you want. I mean, corn, canola, sunflower. I'm using sunflower today. We're going to get these and we're going to drop them in. Now you can see that they've not gone crazy. The heat's on, but they've not gone mad. You don't want it really, really super hot. You can shallow fry these as well if you want. So these are going to go in, and they're going to cook just for about 4 minutes only, deep fried like this. Beautiful stuff. Okay, look, we're just a couple of minutes in, and I'm going to be flipping these over now, so they get a nice even cook in there. Really lovely. My kids really love these. Okay, job done. Look at those, really nice. Now you do need to make sure they're cooked nicely, so nice and low. Yeah, nice low, not too high, or they're just going to burn on the outside and be raw in the middle. But yeah, these are delicious. Look, I've got a few more to do here, so I'm just going to fry them off. Just putting these onto some paper towel. That'll just get rid of any excess oil. But yeah, beautiful stuff. Okay, and there you go. Just cut a couple of them open so you can see that they're cooked beautifully. Yeah, really nice and easy. Bit of mayo, bit of ketchup, whatever you want, bit of hot sauce, dip them in. My kids are going to absolutely demolish those. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.